Hello guys, back again. Once more, just strolling through the train station to get my train. Just strolling through the train station, guys, to get my train. I'm going to Scotland, guys. I'm going to Edinburgh in Scotland. Yes, so I'm going to Edinburgh in Scotland, guys. So this is a train, guys. So if you can look, so strolling through, guys. Anyway, guys, I'm not gonna make this video long. Just gonna make a little short one. No smoking, guys. So if you could see, just waiting for the train, guys, to board. Anyway, guys,
the next train to pick up on platform 2 will be the 14:15 Liverpool service to Liverpool West.
Anyway, guys, I'm just gonna end this video now and then anyway, guys, I'm out for now. Bye.